Hey guys, welcome back. Today's wig is being sponsored by DIVASWIGS. I am going to show you guys how to get your wig super duper flat and how to get it looking natural. So if you want to learn how to do that, y'all already know what to do. Keep on watching. Mwah. Alright, so this is what the wig looks like before I do anything to it. This is their Yaki texture wig, and the density on this wig is 150%. You guys know I love myself a Yaki wig. It's so freaking natural, so beautiful. Whether you blow it out or not, it's going to give you a very natural look. Now this is a full lace wig, and I am so here for it, honey, because I can part my hair straight down the middle and it's going to look very natural, and I can put two braids to the side and it's going to look like scalp all the way. So in order to get my hair straight, I am going to use a couple of styling tools. First off, I'm going to start with adding some heat protectant to this hair because I do not want to burn this hair because I'm adding a lot of heat. So I'm going to take my Infinity blow dryer and I'm going to blow dry this hair first to kind of get the texture to be a little bit more straighter. Now I do use this on my natural hair and I actually love it, and I'm struggling with this wig head because it keeps falling down, but I got this on the highest setting and I am just taking the blow dryer and I am just combing through this hair. I continue to say these Yaki texture wigs is like the best wig to have for a natural look. Like if you still ain't tried a Yaki wig, girl, you playing yourself, because a Yaki wig is a must. I love this type of texture when it comes to putting the hair in a bun, in a ponytail, wearing it straight. Like, this is the most natural texture for African American. It is like ridiculous. And I really do wish that it would get more play than like the silky straight, because this hair is really, really gorgeous. Like, I love it. So once I have blow dried the hair, I'm going to add more heat to this hair. I'm using my 2-inch Gilbury flat iron that I got from Sally's. I believe this flat iron has been discontinued because I've had it for like several years. And I wanted to get another one and I could not find it at Sally's, so I think it has been discontinued. So as you guys can see, the hair does get straight. You do have to section off the hair if you want a more straighter look. On my next install, I'm going to use a more higher temperature blow dryer and see if that helps with making the hair a little bit more straighter, because that blow dryer that I used on this wig is actually what I use for my natural hair, and I do not use like high heat blow dryer. So alright, so after I have flat ironed the hair, I'm going to go ahead and use my lovely hot comb. It is a must that you have a hot comb. I got this from Target for like $19.99 and I love it. Using a hot comb is just going to help you get closer to the roots and give you a more flat look. It's also going to straighten out the roots, and as you guys can see, with just passing through the hair, the wig is already starting to lay flat. So I'm just going to continue that on until I get to the top of the wig. Also, when using a hot comb, I prefer to use smaller sections because it allows me to get really close to the roots. It also gives me a more straighter look. So after I am done flat ironing the hair and blow drying it and going through with the hot comb, this is what the wig looks like. As you can see, this Yaki wig is very full, has a nice amount of shine to it. The ends look really good and healthy. Just an overall very nice full wig. I just want to show you guys how full this wig looks when I put it in a ponytail. Like, do you see that? The texture on this wig is insane. So I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on and I'll be back. And this is what this gorgeous wig looks like once it is put on. It is glued down. Hairline is on fleek. Baby hairs is laid. Hair is flat. Yes, ma'am. Girl, this wig is everything. And I did go in with the flat iron again once I put the hair on my head just to get a more straighter look. But I love the fullness of this wig. I love how it feels. The texture is just really thick and soft. Love it. Now, this wig is on the expensive side. Keep in mind that this is a full lace wig, so you get a lot of versatility with this wig. And let me show you guys. So I can part my hair straight down the middle. I can also part my hair down the side. I'm trying to make sure you guys get all these angles, honey. But I can part my hair down the side. And do you see how natural this scalp looks? Like, it's not even a scalp, girl. It's a lace. Like, do you see how natural this looks? This is what you are paying for. This is the type of wig that's going to give you a natural look all around, from the hair texture to the lace to the styling. Girl, you're going to be serving all type of looks with this wig. So let me turn around, child, so y'all can get into this wig, honey, because I am here for it. If you want to spend your hard-earned money on a good wig, girl, this is the wig for you. Do you see how beautiful this wig looks in a ponytail? Like, let me back up and give it to y'all for just a second. Look at that. You cannot tell me this is not a nice wig, and honestly, it is worth every penny. No lie, I need y'all to save up y'all coins and make this splurge purchase, because you will not regret buying this wig. Like, it's expensive, yes, I understand, but girl, when you get it, you will love this wig. So all purchasing information will be below. Bye, guys.